Hey guys, want to see a morning routine of a six-figure trader? In this video, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step process of what I do every single morning to give me the success in trading in all 2023. Welcome to Exit for Profit. My morning routine consists of 3 habits that help me start my day on the right foot: a workout, meditation, and a trading plan. Each help me cover the physical, psychological, and technical parts of my day before I trade. Let's begin. Workout. I usually sit in front of a computer and wait for a setup, but most of the time I realize I was half asleep doing so. Before I trade, I go through my workout routine for the following reason. Number 1. Boosted energy and focus. Exercise increased my energy levels and enhanced my mental focus, so instead of being 50% asleep, I'm 100% awake and fully energized whenever I start my day with a good workout. This one activity alone helps me remain focused throughout the entire trading sessions. Number 2, reduce stress and anxiety. In the high-pressure world of trading, exercise helped me stay calm and composed even in the highest volatile market conditions. Number 3, to keep me grounded. I often tell my students, I don't care about your success or making thousands of dollars in one day. This is the business where if you don't know what you're doing, you can blow up or lose everything you earn in one trade. Speaking of consistent long-term profitability, sitting in front of a computer for a long period of time can take a toll on your physical health. Regular exercise is essential to building up your endurance and physical conditions. Number 4, to remind me what my trading goals is. I trade for my family, and I hope someday I build a legacy for them. Putting food on the table is one thing. I want to be physically there for my kids and wife whenever they need me. Imagine working so hard all your life toward one goal, and then realize your body is diminishing, and you can't no longer enjoy those moments anymore. In fact, regular physical activities help me know that I can secure my trading goals down the road. I bought a brand new house last year, and it comes with a fitness center, a pool, and it's less than a mile away from my house. So every single morning, I drive or I run to the gym and I put in a good workout for at least 30 minutes before I look at the charts. I either run on the treadmill or lift weights depending on the workout plan for the day, because as they say, a strong body makes the mind strong. Meditations. Now that the body is pumped up, the next step is to work on the mindset. Nothing is worse than waking up in a negative state, feeling down or unhappy about your day. A psychological routine is important to plant the seed in the mind and that you'll act accordingly to your ideal self during the day. And I accomplished getting the right mindset with meditation. After getting home from the gym, I sit in a quiet and comfortable space. My personal favorite is the bench on the front porch with a lake view. The sound of the water fountain makes it incredibly peaceful. I use one of my 2 favorite meditating apps on the iPhone, Calm or Headspace, and I set a timer for 15 minutes. Here is where I focus on my breathing, I go over my thoughts, and I empty my mind for any stress or anxiety I might have been feeling. Meditating helps me enhance focus and concentrations, develop my discipline with trading, and improve my decisions making. It allows us as traders to tap inside of our subconscious mind, and this can lead to new insights and ideas that are highly beneficial to trading. Trust me. You've gotta try it to believe it. Trading plan. Now that my mind is clear, I finish the morning routine with the 3rd step, creating a trading plan. I don't do it secretly on my own. I do this in front of my audience full with traders, 100 plus or so every morning. In the trading plan, I focus on the what, the where, the why, the how I want to become as a trader based on the market conditions every single morning. I can be a buyer under a level of the charts one day and then be a seller over the next critical level the following day. That's the beauty of being a day trader. A trading plan is very important because it helps me not to be fearful or FOMO in and out of a trade. If a plan develops with the A+ setup, I make a trade and I'm happy no matter what. If my plan doesn't go, well, as planned, I stay disciplined. I wait for a different perfect opportunity. We don't get paid for the time of the charts. We get paid for the chance or the opportunity we take from them. Now we cover a lot today. my workout routine, meditation practice, and trading plan. If you're interested in how I develop my trading plans, check out the link in my bio. The thing is, I didn't always have a morning trading routine. It developed over the last 3 years, and I play around with different routine before settling on this one. I love to hear about your morning routine. Do you do something similar to this, or is it completely different than the things that I do? Let me know in the comments below. Click the like, subscribe to my channel for more information. I'll see you in the next one.